So I picked up this set on Amazon. It's 1, 2, 3 blocks, but it also has more sizes. There's 15 blocks, and it starts at 16th and works its way up to 3/4. And then you have a traditional 1, 2, 3 block. 1, 2, 3. And this one has markings. I wouldn't trust these markings, but this set got really. There's a couple different ones on Amazon. This set got good reviews. They all got good reviews. They're very close. And for woodworking, they're fine. So what I do with these, sometimes, well, all the time, I'll set saw blade height, fence distance if I'm doing things like rabbets for drawers, dados for drawer bottoms, tenons for rails and stiles, setting router height. And what's nice about these is there's 30 seconds as well as 16ths, because some plywoods are not in full 16ths anymore. Some are not even full 30 seconds anymore. That's just how it is. Nice little set. It was about $44 on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description. The case is probably not going to last long, but it depends what kind of use you get out of it. You know, it may and it may not, but at least you have the insert. You can make a little case for it if you needed to. It's a great little tool that can help you set up your work a lot more consistent and easier than using a combo gauge, combination gauge or something like that. One day I'm going to show you how I do these really quick shaker styles and rails on the table saw, and that's it, without using a router. Really simple way to do it. Get a nice fit, and they're strong. So one day I'm going to show you how to do this, and we'll go through this. And these help you do all this stuff, all this precision work. Again, I'll put a link in the description below. Go check them out if you like. And these worked for many years, but their sizes are limited, obviously. 5-piece set, 15-piece set. I hope you found this little review and this little bit of information helpful. Be well. Until next time. Be safe in your job site or in your shop. See ya.